Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I be compared to popular e-commerce platform Shopify and Wix after conducting extensive research and testing both platforms. I ultimately choose Shopify, my e-commerce business. In this video, I shared two reasons behind my discussion and the key factor you should consider when making your choice. Please note this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experience. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I may include a link in the description. Offer a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies in their organization. Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce, whereas Wix started as a content-based website builder and later added e-commerce feature. Shopify is an excellent option for beginners or those looking to scale thanks to its extensive range that work seamless with more than 100 themes and template design your store. It's straightforward with Shopify intuitive drag and drop to store builder. Additional all plan include 24 customer support, making the step process as smooth as possible. Wix on the other hand offer a plan across for categories: website, business, e-commerce, and enterprise. If you are running an online store, you need to choose from the business and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow to 50,000 product, more than sufficient for most business. Backlog unlimited product option. Wix provides offer 800 template, a drag and drop editor, and a customer domain name for free 1 year. However, editing with template can make website less optimized for smartphone, meaning you need a separate mobile site. Shopify in contracts automatically optimize its template for mobile device and create redirect link for more move page, making it more SEO friendly. Shopify also support SEO integration for advanced site, while Wix offers SEO tools like SEO Viz and SEO dashboard and integration with Smart for keyword research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify offers Shopify payment and Wix offer Wix payment. Using this built-in gateway avoid transaction fees, but third-party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 500 fees depending on your plan. Wix allow free third-party payment, but only an USD and lack multi-currency checkout option, where Shopify support multi-currency checkout via a Shopify market app. Tax calculation is another crucial aspect of Shopify. Automatically calculate tax for users across all plans, while Wix offer automatically tax collection through a third-party app called Avalera. This feature is limited to certain plan with cap on the number of collection per month. Shopify also offer a physical point of sale POS system for the all plan, except the starter plan enable real-time inventory update through card reader connected to mobile device. Wix POS, a feature introduced recently, is only available to select user in the US and Canada. Price in another key consideration. Wix offer a free plan, but is a functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan but offer a 3-day free trial and discount introductory package for $3 for 90 days. Once the trial ends, Shopify main plan include the basic plan at $90 a month, the standard plan at $49 a month, and the advanced plan at $299 a month. You can switch between plan your business grow and receive a 25% discount for annual payment. That wrap for today's video. If you find this information useful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. If you have any question, free to level the in content. And remember, if you decide to try Shopify, use the link in the description for excessive $1 a month deal for 90 days. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.